AI assistant. Let's jump in. First, I'm going to go ahead and click on my Assisted by AI button. And here we have two different orders. We have one order that was in the form of a PDF that is uploaded, and we also have an order that came in through email. So first I'm going to start with my PDF order. And here the AI assistant was able to pick up on the different address, the different load type. I'm going to click on continue. Here I can modify or adjust any information as needed. I can add a price, but everything looks good so far. So I'm going to click on create order. And my order is ready to go. All I need to do at this point is to go ahead and assign this to a driver and we can get started. For how we can do this with an email, so you see this beautiful email address that we have up here. All I need to do is hit copy, go to my email with the load information, and here all I need to do is click forward, paste that email address, and click send. Once it's sent, our AI assistant is going to receive it, and here I can just click create order. Once I've hit create order, same thing happens. Our AI assistant picks up on the different addresses as well as the merchandise. If there's anything that I need to adjust, I can do that here. Our price is automatically put in. And in just a few clicks, I have my order ready to go. All I need to do here again is assign it to a driver and off we go.